In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for time blocking. If you're looking for an effective way to organize your day and maximize productivity, time blocking might be just what you need. This technique divides your day into blocks of time, each dedicated to specific tasks or activities, helping you focus and get more done. First, let's open Notion and ensure you're logged in to your account. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of the interface and click on your profile icon. This is usually represented by an avatar or the icon of a person. By clicking it, you'll open a menu where we can make some adjustments to better prepare you for time blocking. Next, we're going to dive into the Templates section. Notion provides various templates to help streamline your workflow, making it easier to get started with time blocking. So, go ahead and click on Templates, which you can find on the left sidebar after you've clicked your profile. Now that you're in the Templates section, let's find the one that's specifically designed for time blocking. To do this, type Time Block into the search bar at the top. This will help you quickly locate the most relevant template among the wide range of options offered by Notion. Once you've typed that in, you should see a template titled Time Blocking plus Weekly Themed Schedule appear in your search results. Click on this template to take a closer look. It's designed to help you structure your week and assign specific time slots to your important activities, ensuring you stay on track with your goals. After clicking on the template, you'll see a preview of what it includes. If it looks like a good fit, go ahead and click the button that says Add. This will add the template to your Notion workspace, allowing you to start personalizing it according to your needs. That's it. You've successfully set up a time blocking system using Notion. Now, you can start filling in each time block with the tasks, projects, or activities you need to focus on each day. Remember, the key to effective time blocking is to be realistic with your time allocations and to prioritize tasks according to importance and urgency. As a tip, review your schedule at the end of each week and make any necessary adjustments. This reflection will help you refine your time management skills over time. With a bit of practice and consistency, you'll find yourself becoming more organized and productive than ever before. Enjoy your newfound clarity and focus, and happy planning!